trading discipline, and reviewing your trades. The shift you need in your mindset. For a long time, I blamed the market. The market was manipulated, the market was unfair, but the truth was uncomfortable. The market wasn't the problem, but I was repeating the same mistake. Real improvement didn't come from new strategies. It came from reviewing my behavior. Every loss had a reason. Every win had a lesson, but only if I looked back. On OKX, you can open order history, past entries and exits, fee and execution details. Just reviewing why you entered, how you felt, whether it was planned. Are you writing that on your notebook? This helps you change how you trade next time. Discipline isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. The market teaches every day, but most traders don't listen. If you want to trade seriously, follow the series, and we're not chasing hype, we're building skills. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask on our Telegram channel at OKX Africa. Till next time.